Hey everybody, it's Ryan. I'm here to give you an overview, review, a mixability, and taste test, and a little bit of what this does. Zoa Plus, I guess that's what it's called, Zoa Plus by The Rock, aka Dwayne Johnson. This is his supplement brand, and I figured I'd give you a little overview of it. This just happens to be the wild berry flavor. Some of the key call outs as far as what all is included in here is training support, promotes focus, and natural caffeine. One thing that definitely stood out to me is a lot of supplements have caffeine anhydrous as their stimulant, and this does not. This has natural caffeine from green coffee bean extract, 200 milligrams. This particular container comes with 25 servings. It does have a training blend, which is a beta-alanine anhydrous, Concrete, which is their creatine partner. That's like an own brand, but they partnered up with them. And then L-carotene tartrate, nitric oxide, L-citrulline, which you can't go wrong with, 4,000 milligrams, and then a whole bunch of information as far as the focus blend. From a mixability standpoint, it's a very, very, very fine powder. And gonna give you an idea here. Yep, it's doing its thing. Normally, you would probably put this in a shaker or whatever, but I like to kind of use a big clean glass just to see what it would look like with just a mild stir. No floaters. Mix is really good. Taste is pretty subtle. So if you're looking for something that is not overpowering, this definitely is a ticket, but it definitely has I would consider a good flavor to it. Completely subjective, but actually tastes pretty good. Pretty good, but definitely a mild flavor. Let's knock this out, get a workout in, and I'll give you some results when I'm back. All right, everybody, a recap. So if you are stim tolerant, meaning you're used to taking pre-workouts on the regular, a recommendation is you probably want to go to maybe a scoop and a half, because 200 milligrams, depending on what you're used to taking, may or may not be something that is going to do what it needs to do. But from an overall focus, on point. As far as like getting your mind right and staying focused on the job at hand, definitely going to meet those expectations if that is important to you. And again, you can't go wrong with a flavor. So hopefully this answers any question you might have about the Zoa pre-workout.